How to find spaces on Twitter app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll show you how can you find spaces on Twitter app. So in order to do it, you have to follow the simple steps. So before we start on, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet and then go to the Play Store and update the application. So on the search box you want to type in X Twitter and check for an update. If you see update, then make sure to update it and then click the open button and log into your account. Now to find and join Twitter Space, you can look for the space icon for small circle in the bottom navigation menu of the app. Now usually it could be found here, but if you are unable to find it, so you go to the profile from the top left hand side corner and then you could see the spaces option. Once you click on it, then it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to load itself, and this is the way you could go ahead and find spaces. So here you could go ahead and find a lot of spaces. You could go ahead and read it out. That's how you could go ahead and find spaces on Twitter app. If you're unable to find the Spaces app right over here, then you need to update the application to the latest version. So as I mentioned in the first step that you have to update your application, make sure to update it so that will be able to give you the latest version. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.